Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is class 10th, subject of general science. Our today's topic is resistance in parallel. Yesterday we had discussed the combination of resistance in series. When two or more resistance, when they are connected between the same two points, they are said to be connected in parallel. When it is زٕ یا دۄیہِ کھۄتہٕ زیادٕ resistance کروس connected between the same two points, this is called resistance in parallel combination. The resistance in the total resistance or combined resistance of a number of resistance connected in parallel. It can be calculated by using the law of combination of resistances in parallel. If we want to decrease the total resistance, then the individual resistance they are connected in parallel. Agar total resistance of the circuit is decreased, in this case the resistances, the individual resistance they are connected in parallel combinations. With you see combined or total distance of a number of resistance connects parallels calculate by using the law of combination of resistance in parallel. According to the law of combination of resistance in parallel, is a reciprocal of the combined resistance of a number of resistance connected in parallel. It is equal to the reciprocal of the individual resistances. For example, if we have three resistance R1, R2 and R3 and they are connected in parallel combination, connect parallel ठीक parallel R1, R2, R3. You see total resistance of their total resistance yes is barabar the reciprocal of the combined resistance of a number of resistance R1 is connected is equal to the R1 plus R2 plus R3. Then we see reciprocal of the combined resistance of a number of resistance connected in parallel, it is equal to to the sum of the reciprocals of the individual resistance. For example, if we have three resistance R1, R2 and R3 are connected, then the combined resistance it is given by this formula. Combined resistance R1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. For example, if we have we have two resistances as resistance. One resistance R1 it is of 1 ohm 6 ohm. Back resistance R2 it is of 12 ohm and they are connected in parallel. If we want to find out their combined resistance is determined by this formula. R is equal to R1 plus R2 R1 कोता combined resistance बराबर 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12 गो के बराबर cross 2 plus 1 divided by 12. 2 plus 1 plus 12 go 3 divided by 12. So go 3 1 is a 3 3 4 is a 1 by 4 yes you say 1 by R yes it 1 by 4 यहाँ combined resistance R nearest बराबर 4 ohms. That means when two or more resistance are connected in parallel is total resistance decrease the individual resistance of 6 ohm and 12 ohm connected in parallel but total resistance either come then it is less when a number of resistances when a number of resistance are connected, when a number of resistances, when they are connected in parallel, it is connected kara kath mans parallelus mans, then their individual resistance